when they're in the Star Wars movies. Oh god, that I need actual lighting, otherwise I'm all one tone. When they're in the Star Wars movies and they're doing Force, and they're just like. The actors just look like they're shitting themselves. Same thing in Harry Potter when they do. It looks cool. It's like they're exerting force, but it's kind of not hard to see, or hard to not see them just like giving themselves chest pain between scenes and just going, and then after that, that's good. That's good fun. I have a headache. I have a headache now. Star Wars.